How to use shaders in Blender? First of all, open Blender and switch to the shading workspace at the top. This workspace gives you access to the shader editor and the 3D viewport side by side. Select the object you want to apply the shader to. Now, you will see a principled BSD of shader connected to the material output node. This shader is very versatile and works well for most materials. You can adjust properties like base color, roughness, metallic, and more to change the look of your object. For example, lowering roughness will make the surface appear shiny, while increasing it makes it more matte. You can also add more nodes by pressing Shift plus A in the shader editor. For example, you can add a texture node to use an image as the color, or add a bump node to create surface detail without changing the geometry. Connect these nodes to the principled BSDF to customize the material further. To preview your shader, make sure you are in Material Preview or Rendered mode in the 3D viewport. This helps you see how the light interacts with your shader in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to use shaders in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.